Welcome to the best picks. The best Tetra Whisper Air Pump is probably one of the most crucial components for a thriving aquarium environment, ensuring your aquatic life has the oxygen it needs to flourish. Today, we will deep dive into this product, exploring its features, benefits, and whether it's the right choice for your tank, considering factors like tank size, noise levels, and ease of use, ultimately helping you decide if this air pump is the perfect fit for your aquatic ecosystem. Number 5. Tetra Whisper Air Pump. It's the reliable and quiet solution for keeping your aquarium healthy. This pump provides dependable airflow, ensuring your fish thrive. It delivers the consistent airflow your aquarium needs. You can trust it to keep your fish happy and your tank healthy. Its patented dome shape and sound dampening chambers mean it operates quietly. Enjoy the peace and quiet, without sacrificing performance. It comes in sizes to suit tanks from 10 to 100 gallons. Choose the perfect size for your aquarium's needs. It offers reliable performance at a great price. Get the quality you expect without breaking the bank. It's simple to set up and use. Get it running in minutes and enjoy a healthy aquarium. It's the perfect choice for aquarists of all levels. Give your fish the best with the Tetra Whisper Air Pump. What we like. It's powerful and quiet, available in various sizes to suit different tank capacities. If you need a reliable and quiet air pump for your aquarium, regardless of size, this is the one for you. It's perfect for aquarists who prioritize both performance and noise reduction. Number 4. Tetra Whisper Repair Kit. This kit is designed to help you keep your Tetra Whisper 60 and 100 air pumps running smoothly. It's easy to use and includes everything you need for simple repairs. Notice its unique dome shape. This design is key to its quiet operation. It helps reduce noise and vibrations. The wide footprint and rubber feet provide stability, further minimizing vibrations and noise. It's designed to stay put. The suspended motor is another important feature. This isolates the motor, reducing noise and extending its lifespan. Sound dampening chambers minimize turbulence, resulting in a smooth, quiet airflow. Enjoy the peace and quiet. It's designed to be whisper quiet, so you can enjoy the peace and quiet of your aquarium without disruptive noise. It's the perfect solution for a peaceful environment. What we like. This is a repair kit for a specific model, ensuring your existing pump continues to run smoothly. If your current pump is making noise or needs a fix, this kit will get it back to its quiet operation. It's a cost-effective solution to extend the life of your equipment. What people say. Assembled in a matter of minutes, and my poor fish were shocked at the amount of air bubbles they are now getting. Works as advertised, got my pump back in fighting shape with very little effort needed. This was a simple, inexpensive way to rebuild my air pump, and it worked even better than expected. Took me about 10 minutes to complete the entire process, and the results are much less noise and a lot more air. Number 3. Tetra Whisper Air Pump 77846. This air pump is perfect for aquariums up to 10 gallons. It's designed to provide the optimal amount of air flow for your fish, quietly and efficiently. It operates incredibly quietly. You'll barely know it's there, ensuring a peaceful environment for your aquatic life. Despite its quiet operation, it delivers maximum airflow. Your fish will have plenty of oxygenated water. The unique dome-shaped sound damping chambers effectively reduce noise. This innovative design minimizes disruptive sounds. It's ideal for smaller aquariums. It provides the perfect balance of air and quiet for your fish. It's simple to set up and maintain. Enjoy a healthy and thriving aquarium with minimal effort. What we like. It's designed for smaller tanks and is both quiet and efficient. If you have a small aquarium and want a pump that won't disturb you or your fish, this is an excellent choice. It's perfect for those who value a balance of performance and quiet operation in a compact size. What people say. Because Whisper is included in the name of the product, I figured the pump would be quiet. This pump is beyond quiet, it's practically silent. When turned on by itself, I could barely hear it. When I received the Tetra Whisper Air Pump, I set it up, which was extremely easy, and connected the hose to the LED air stone, and it worked, and it is very quiet. It arrived while my wife was out and I quickly got it installed. When I plugged it in, I saw the bubbles, but literally felt the need to touch it to assure myself it was running. When my wife came home, I stopped her near the aquarium and asked her if she noticed anything different. She immediately said, "Oh, did the air pump stop working?" And then she looked at the aquarium and saw the bubbles still flowing. Number 2. Tetra Whisper Air Pump. It delivers reliable air to your aquarium, keeping your fish happy and healthy. Enjoy peace of mind knowing your aquatic pets are getting the oxygen they need. Its unique design significantly reduces noise. You'll barely know it's there, ensuring a peaceful environment for you and your fish. It provides essential oxygen and gentle water circulation. This creates a more natural and vibrant aquarium environment. The wide base and rubber feet keep it stable and quiet. No more annoying vibrations disturbing your home or your fish. It comes in various sizes to suit your aquarium needs. Choose the perfect pump for your tank, whether it's a small 10-gallon or a large 100-gallon tank. It's the perfect solution for providing essential oxygen and gentle water movement to your aquarium. Enjoy a healthy and peaceful underwater world. What we like. It's powerful, quiet, and designed to minimize vibrations. If you're looking for a quiet and powerful air pump that won't shake your tank, this is a great option. It's ideal for those who want a high-performance pump without the noise and vibrations. Number 1. Tetra Whisper Air Pump. This powerful air pump is perfect for aquariums of all sizes. It's designed to deliver air to even the deepest tanks, ensuring your fish have plenty of oxygen. Customize your aquarium with dramatic bubble effects. It adds a beautiful touch to any underwater environment. It's designed for tanks with significant back pressure, pumping air down to 8 feet deep. No more worries about oxygen levels in your deep tanks. This one pump delivers air to all your powered accessories. It's built to last, providing reliable oxygenation for years to come. With its advanced technology and high-quality construction, it comes with a limited lifetime guarantee. Enjoy peace of mind knowing it's built to last. It's the most powerful in Tetra's line of air pumps. Experience the difference that quality makes in your aquarium. What we like. It's powerful enough for deep tanks and comes with a lifetime guarantee. If you have a deep tank or need a pump that can handle significant back pressure, this is the best option. This is a great investment for those who want a reliable and long-lasting pump. What people say. Plenty of power. This is in my bedroom and I sleep just fine next to it. Works great. Very powerful even though pumping through a total of 7 feet of tubing. I am also pleasantly surprised how quiet it is. The sound of the bubbles is louder than the pump. Very quiet. Runs in my bedroom, so it has to be quiet. I also have the 140 models, also extremely quiet, and this one, even though it has 3x the output of the 100, does not make any more noise. In fact, it may make less. Each of its air outlets runs more devices than the 100 does, and the entire thing takes up only a little extra space in comparison to the 100G model. You can find the Amazon purchase link in the description below. Hope this video can be helpful to you. Thanks for watching.